Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. So yeah, Quant has turned around for now at the $100 level. Remember in the last video when we looked at this descending triangle, we talked about next key support levels will be $100 and then 81 if we lose that level. We've never really lost the $100 level. You can see that here, only I think for a few hours, but was not a substantial drop. Already after 4 hours, I think we had the we had it back. So we recovered the $100 and we are now at 121. That for now looks really good, and it could be a sign that we are in the third wave to the upside here for Quant already. It's a bit too early, of course, to confirm that, but as you know, we talked about that the pattern to the downside was full. It didn't need to go any lower. With that low of the fifth wave, it didn't need to go any lower. It was basically full. Of course, you never know because it can always extend further, but as soon as a pattern is full, we need to be very, very ready for a trend reversal. It has moved into this support area, into this reversal area, and it held the $100 level. We saw here an engulfing green candle, but then really there wasn't any breakout sign until we broke above the descending trend line. So in the previous video, we talked about this descending trend line. As we break it, that could lead to a, well, to a breakout really. But for me, it's this signal that we need to get above the wave 4 high really. And with the messiness here of the chart, I would really want to get above this high of $135. So without getting above that level, I can't really fully confirm that a low has been made. But this was the support area to possibly go long. Anybody who missed that, well, you can always buy if you want to. For me, it's now a matter of waiting for 5 waves and then buying the retracement. That's what I like to do. This here was only a 3-wave move up at the moment, as I can see it. So it doesn't really give me too much confidence. And at the moment, the larger pattern is also 3 waves. So what I would like to see, and I will certainly keep you updated about that, maybe later today, is if we get here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What would be the target for the third wave? So it would need to be $132, right? So if we get this, go down in 4, move up in 5 and break that wave 4 high of around about $135. We get those 5 waves, and then this would count as a larger first wave. And then I would personally buy the wave 2 pullback. ABC. Yeah, there should still be time because even if we move higher now and then come down, and even if the pullback will go to maybe only $122, $123, I always get the question, yeah, but then we are higher than where we are now. But the thing is, it gives you higher confidence and you will buy in support and not, because the support now is somewhere down here, right? Maybe 110, you know, all these areas, or even the wave 2 low at 105. But you're buying far away from support. A pullback will, wherever it will be, will provide the next support really. And then you can set your stop loss tight or whatever. But that's entirely up to you, right? So that's only, I can only tell you what I'm doing. Bear in mind also that we are just now below resistance really, because we can draw that trend line further, that descending channel trend line. Yes, we've broken above that trend line, and that is taken us now to the next trend line, but we only have 3 waves up for now, and we are still below the trend line. So we're just below a trend line, just below resistance. So I would want to wait how the price reacts to it. If we are bullish, it should break through it quite quickly, and then maybe retest from above and then push higher into this channel. And I think another sign, even if we break above that wave 4 high, I mean, that will give us a really good indication. But then really breaking out of the channel to the upside, because you can extend that further out as well. Breaking out would be then the next sign that a low has been made. But yeah, Quant, as always, it is delivering when it's when it's moving fast, isn't it? So this is looking good. And if we're moving up from here, the overall higher level scenario would be fulfilled, and I'd be extremely happy. And I'm then just gonna wait here for a signal that we've bottomed and buy the pullback. And I will keep you aware, make you aware. Things to mention as well are on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, 4-hour chart, we obviously looked at, I think in the previous video we looked at the bullish divergence. that things could be changing. I think remember that. On the 4-hour chart, on the daily, we saw a slight bullish divergence as well. Here on the daily, we have only just made, or we are about to make, a bullish crossover on the RSI. That is a good sign, and also the MACD starts to turn around. Those are certainly good signs. On the 4-day chart, no reversal visible yet, but as soon as we do that, and you see that on the 4-day chart as well, that whenever that happened before, usually you see that strong price increase, that rally. So that'll be interesting. And yeah, so I'll keep an eye on that for you, on the possible follow through on bullish potential. At the moment, if you see that on the daily chart at the moment, you shouldn't get too excited, because what we're doing at the moment, we're just retesting the channel from below. If we get rejected here, then we only have 3 waves up. We had a few green candles, everybody got excited, but we shouldn't really, until we get the 5 waves up, we break through the channel and then look at the pullback. And if the pullback is holding a higher low, that would be a sign that things are changing here. Okay, and that's my update about Quant. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.